Hi friends, this is Bilal Heather, and in this video part we are actually going to talk about um, another conditional operator which is called else, and it is always used with if, combined with if. Actually, it cannot be used alone. So as we saw in our previous video, when we are using if condition, then what we do, we basically put our condition in here. So let's say const is happy equals true, is happy, then we say console.log customer is happy, right? So that's how we write our if condition. We write our keyword, then we write our condition, and inside the body we perform um, several instructions based upon what the result of the operation was. Okay, but what if you have two cases for one particular condition? So let's say if customer is happy, then we want to console log this thing. What if customer is not happy? Then what's going to do? So we use else, and as soon as our if's body ends, we start our else condition. Okay, so this is not a different thing, it is part of if. So if customer is happy, then do this, otherwise do this. Okay, so we say console.log customer is angry. Okay, so if I run this code, you'll see that customer is happy because our condition is true. So if our condition is true, then it's going to run whatever is there inside if's body. Okay, these curly braces are basically if's body. But what if customer is not happy? Then what's going to happen? Then if I run this code now, you'll see that our program says customer is angry. So if together with else is used when you have a condition which can have two different cases. Okay, so if customer is happy, then you want to do something. Otherwise, if customer is not happy, then you want to do something else. So for example, you are building a login interface for a user, and you have two cases. Basically, if a user correctly inserts his password, then you log into its account. Okay, if the otherwise, if the password is not correct, then you don't want to um, log in the user. Instead, you want to alert him about his password. You say that your password is wrong. So that kind of a thing, and many other numerous things. When you have two outcomes of a problem, then you can use else together with if. Okay, so else is always used with if. Else cannot be used alone, so make sure you keep that in mind. So I think that was pretty much it. Let's recap for a moment. So we start with an if condition, we write our condition after if keyword, and if that keyword is correct, if our condition is right, then it's going to perform whatever is there inside if's body. If that condition is not true, then it's going to execute else instead. So whatever you will put inside else body, it's going to execute that. Okay, so it's very simple. If it's true, it's going to execute whatever is there inside if's body. If it's not true, or if it's false, it's going to execute whatever is there inside else's body. Okay, so if else together can be used when you have two outcomes of a problem. So this was pretty much all about else. In the next video, we'll learn what to do when you have more than two outcomes of a single problem. So that's what we will learn in the next video. So see you in the next part.